Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a great day. In today's video, I'll show you how to log out of WhatsApp web. If you've finished using WhatsApp on a shared or public computer, logging out is important to keep your messages and account secure. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. Now, let's get started. As you can see on the screen, WhatsApp web is already open in the browser. To log out, look at the top of the chat list and click the three-dot menu. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click Log Out. If a confirmation message appears, simply click Log Out again to continue. After a few seconds, WhatsApp web will sign you out of your account. You'll be returned to the QR code screen, which means your account has been logged out successfully. If you want to use WhatsApp web again later, simply scan the QR code with your phone using the Linked Devices feature in WhatsApp, and your chats will be available again. Logging out is recommended whenever you use someone else's computer or a public device. This helps protect your privacy and prevents anyone else from accessing your WhatsApp account. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to log out of WhatsApp web in 2026. It's a quick and simple process that helps keep your account secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future WhatsApp tips and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.